Welcome, dear soul. Parenting goes through many phases. One of the most common questions we hear from parents is, how can I get my child to listen to me? Children have a lot on their minds. Research shows that a child's mind is reprogramming at the age of 6, and again at age 12, they can feel overwhelmed by outside stimuli and almost ignore your instructions. Here are the 5 best ways to make your child listen to you, and they really work. First, don't start talking until you have your child's attention. Get down on your child's level and touch them lightly. Observe what your child is doing and connect with your child. Psychologists have found that when we feel connected to another person, we're more open to their influence, so you're making it easy for your child to listen to you. Wait until the child looks up. Look at your child in the eye. Then start talking. If he or she doesn't look up, make sure you have their attention by asking, "Can I tell you something?" When they look up, then start talking. Second, don't repeat yourself. If you've asked once and not gotten a response, don't just repeat yourself. You don't have your child's attention. Go back to step 1. Third, use fewer words. Most of us dilute our message and lose our child's attention by using too many words. Use as few words as possible when you give instructions. Fourth, give options to your child and engage cooperation. No one wants to listen to someone who's giving orders. In fact, it always stimulates resistance. Think about how you feel when someone orders you around. Instead, keep your tone warm. When possible, give choices. For example, "It's bath time. Do you want to go now or in 5 minutes?" Options will always get you to have your child agree to you in some way. Fifth, listen to your child with full attention. If you stare at your phone or laptop while your child tells you about his day, you're role modeling how communication is handled in your family. If you really want your child to listen to you, stop what you're doing and listen. It only takes a few minutes. You will always get cooperation from your child if you actually follow these tips. Don't be surprised if your child uses the same technique to connect with you first and then communicate with you. This magical way to change your equation with your child will go a long way in your child's upbringing. Subscribe to our channel now to stay updated with magical ways to change your life.